Who are we taking first? Ozzy, I'm gonna put your shirt on you. Mom, move your big butt. Good boy. He's like, why are you videotaping me?
Don't take a picture of me while I'm peeing. Oh, jeez, that thing out. Like anybody wants to look at that.
Mr. Murphy, you're a dork. Mr. Murphy.
Stop, my name's Doug Phillips. Stop. Now you're game playing. I'm gonna take you back in if you don't do what
You
do
videotape while I go put Ozzy's shirt on him. Or out,
Just turn it off and turn it back on when you get out here.